Hey everybody, so today I'm going to do a pre-spring cleaning video. It's not going to be like your typical spring cleaning when you see people washing walls, deep cleaning and stuff like that. However, I did like walk around the house, take inventory on areas where I know that I've been avoiding the most, and that's kind of like what I'm going to tackle. So I'm just going to show you. I can show you better than I can tell you. So just watch. Today's video is in collaboration with my sister-in-law, Ciera Campbell. She is a mommy vlogger here on YouTube, and she shows the uncut raw footage of what mommyhood truly looks like behind the scenes. So check out her channel. It's extremely motivating, and tell her I sent you. So this is how I'm going to start this off. First, I'm going to make a to-do list of everything that I want to accomplish. As you see later on in the video, I did not accomplish everything that's on here. But like I said in the beginning, I'm really just trying to take inventory of things that I've been truly avoiding and that I just need to tackle before spring gets here. Really? You wake up when mommy's just about to start recording? Come on, let's go. So first, I want to clean out the linen closet. What you see here is a result of me doing laundry for the past 2 days, organizing Harry's room. So we have clothes and bags and boxes of clothes that he can't fit anymore. We have the laundry that's still right here. So I just kind of need to tidy up this area so I can mass dump everything out of my linen closet so I can just empty out everything from there and get that organized. Unfortunately, I had to stop and make a dollar store run because I didn't have any extra bins in the house, and I need some things to put all these extra sheets and stuff so it just won't be all over the place and hanging all out of the closet like it was before. Oh, okay, so $1 right here. Perfect. $1. And let's see. What these gotta be? Okay, what's these right here? Oh, perfect. These are $1 too. Okay, I'm back home. So now I have bins that I could put all the sheets away, the pillowcases, the cleaning towels and stuff like that for that first shelf. And next I'm going to empty out my 2 wicker baskets that I will use for my body and health supplies and my hair equipment and hair products and stuff. So you're going to see me empty out those wicker baskets shortly. Okay, so I understand that this scene is not aesthetically pleasing, but hear me out. Our house was built in 1960. My husband has been living here for about 6 years, and I've been living here going on 2. So listen, The goal is not to keep up with the Joneses. The goal is to work with what you have until you actually have what you want, okay? So granted, everything is not matching the way that I want it to. This linen closet is extremely small. The wood is dingy. Even the lighting in the hallway is kind of like a ugly yellow, but I can't focus on that. My goal is just to organize it, make it easy and simple for my life, and eventually I will get the white, beautiful, matching wicker baskets or whatever else that I want one day. But for now, we're going to work with what we have. So enjoy this scene, but keep that in mind because I know it's ugly and it's ugly to me. So I know it's ugly to you. Next, we're going to move on to the living room. I decided just to focus on cleaning the couch versus organizing Harris' toys right now. On the couch, you know, we have a lot of marks from when Harris spits up, his milk, his juice. He has cookies, you know, a few things that I've dropped on the couch. So you kind of can't tell from far away, but up close, you'll see all the little milk marks and stains. So I'm just going to focus on vacuuming everything out, spot cleaning with awesome spray that you can find at Dollar Tree or Family Dollar. So far, we have cleaned out the linen closet. We have spot cleaned the couch and vacuumed it. Now, for the final thing that I know that I've been avoiding is to clean the walk area. Here is where we walk in, we take off our shoes, and as you see, it just has completely piled up. And I really just need this area to be decluttered so it could just look better, honestly. And once again, this is a pre-spring cleaning. So this is one less thing I have to think of when I go into my deep cleaning for spring. Also, for my pregnant mamas watching, I highly recommend that you invest in the pregnancy band. It helps support the bump along with your back. So as you're moving around and bending, it's less strain on your back and a lot more support. So I highly recommend you buying it. I'll link down below where you can find one at. So check out the description box. I like to call this video pre-spring cleaning because this is kind of like a prelude to the actual spring cleaning that I'll be doing later on. I just really needed to declutter some of those hot spots in my house that I know I've been avoiding that's getting out of control. So when I actually spring clean, I won't be as stressed. I won't have to spend longer hours on it. I've already done a little bit of the hard, tough work.